Welcome in everybody to In Search of Speed Diecast Racing. I'm Jeff. I'm your host for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you stick around to the end of the video. We have a big 8-car tournament. That's the way we run things here. Our next big King of the Hill event is featuring two legends of the track. This 1969 Chevey Camaro, that good-looking Johnny Lightning car with the flames. And our second featured car in the 8-car tournament, that next big King of the Hill event, is the Han Solo Carbonite. And the way we've been figuring out who is going to be the remaining 6 to participate in the next big King of the Hill event is we've been having 6 qualification races. Winner of qualification race number 1, the fastest car of that tournament, was just way too fast. And the second qualification race winner was this newer caster, the Jackhammer. He was a fast looking car. What I'm hoping to do in these qualification races is find a fast car amongst them who can possibly at least give those two legends, no pun intended, a run for their money. Maybe even beat them. We don't know. The odds say no, but we never know. So we're trying to make it a little interesting. Today is qualification race number 3. Let's meet the racers and see who is going to race and earn the 3rd spot in that next big King of the Hill event. You don't want to miss that. Make sure you're subscribed. Racing in today's qualification race number 3 is the Surf Duty. Second racer is this 1988 Honda CRX. Our third racer is from this exotic series, the Bugatti Bolide. Our fourth racer is this custom, good-looking 1968 Camaro. We're going to have some Porsches in today's qualification race number 3, the Porsche 935. Our sixth racer is this Porsche 911. Racer number 7 is this Porsche 928 Safari. I bought 7 of these Porsches, had a little elimination tournament, and Porsche Safari racer number 4 was the fastest. To give these new castings a run for their money, from the Flying Aces series, we have this Solaire CX4. Now it's time to meet the racers in qualification race number 3. In race number 1, we're going to have the Porsche 928 Safari racing against the Porsche 935. Race number 2, we have Surf Duty going up against the Bugatti Bolide. Race number 3 is that 1968 Camaro racing up against that Porsche 911. And the last race of round number 1 is going to be that Solaire going up against the Honda CRX. Recap of racing rules. Lane number 2 is the fastest lane. Lane number 5 is the second fastest lane. If a car wins in lane number 5, that car moves on to the next round. If a car wins in lane number 2, he's got to prove himself in lane number 5. If they split there, we go to lanes 5 and 6 because we're looking for 2 wins in a row. If they split there, we go to lanes 3 and 4. After that, if they split there, lanes 1 and 4, 1 and 3, until we get 2 wins in a row. Race number 1, round number 1. We got the Porsche 935 lane 2, the Porsche Safari lane 5. On your mark, get set, and go! Who's up front? It's the Porsche 935 taking that. Let's go lane 5. Man, that 935 looked good. Let's see. He's got the advantage. On your mark, get set, and go! Ooh! Let's go lane 5 and 6 now. Safari takes that one. Okay, we need 2 in a row. On your mark, get set, and go! Ooh, Safari comes back. He's got the advantage. Safari with the advantage at lane 5. On your mark, get set, and go! Safari takes it. That's Safari Porsche moving on to the semifinals. Okay, Surf Patrol lane 5, Bugatti Bolide lane 2. That patrol looked good in warm-ups. On your mark, get set, and go! Yeah, he takes it in lane 5. So we have the Porsche Safari moving on to the semifinals. We'll be taking on the Surf Duty in the first race of the semifinals. Let's go to race 3, round 1 now. 68 Camaro lane 5, Porsche 911 lane 2. On your mark, get set, and go! Race hit up front. Ooh, the Camaro, 1 and done. Moving on. We have that 1968 custom Camaro moving on to the semifinals. Solaire lane 5, Honda lane 2. Winner takes on the 68 Camaro in the semifinals. On your mark, get set, and go! It is going to be what y'all thought. All the experts called it, Solaire. Here's your race 2 semifinals matchup. We have the 68 custom Camaro taking on that Solaire. Surf Duty lane 5, Porsche Safari lane 2. Race 1 semifinals. On your mark, get set, and go! It is going to be, ooh, Safari. I thought Patrol was going to get him in lane 5. Okay, Porsche Safari with the advantage. Moves on with the win here. On your mark, get set, and go! It is Porsche Safari taking in lane 5. So we had that Porsche Safari moving on to the finals. Porsche Safari will be taking on the winner of race number 2's winner in the semifinal. We have the 68 custom Camaro going up against that Solaire. Who takes it? On your mark, get set, and go! Yeah. So Solaire moving on to the finals. And there's your qualification race number 3 finals. We have that Porsche Safari going up against that yellow Solaire there. Winner earns the 3rd slot in our next big King of the Hill event featuring the Han Solo Carbonite, and that's Johnny Lightning Flames Camaro. Oh, I hope this is a close race. Who's going to take it? On your mark, get set, and go. Oh, that was fast. Porsche Safari with the advantage. On your mark, get set, and go. Ooh, Solaire gets out. We're looking for 2 in a row. On your mark, get set, and go. Ooh, Porsche coming back with the win. Porsche Safari with the advantage. On your mark, get set, and go. Takes it. He takes it. There we have it. That's our qualification race number 3 champion, earning that 3rd slot in the next big King of the Hill event. That's the Porsche Safari. There's a look at the way our bracket's shaping up for that next big King of the Hill event. We have the Johnny Lightning Flames Camaro as our feature car, as well as the Han Solo Carbonite. And there's 3 contestants who have filled up the bracket way too fast, the Jackhammer, and our new one, the Porsche Safari. We got 3 more qualification races coming out. I'll try to get those out as quick as I can, folks. And until next time, if you like what you saw, make sure you smash that subscribe button, give it a big thumbs up. And until next time, crack a card open and race it. See you at the next video.